Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your default search engine on Chrome. It's pretty simple. First you want to open up your Chrome. So on your Chrome, your Google is going to be your default search engine, but I will change it to Yahoo, but you can change it to anything you want. So the thing you need to do is click on the three dot at the top right of your screen and you want to go on where it says settings. And from inside setting, you can see the option called search engine. Click on search engine. From search engine, you can see Google, but we don't want Google. So I will choose Yahoo. But as you guys can see, there's multiple options for you guys. You can choose any. I will go for Yahoo. Once it's done, if I open another, tab over here, it's going to be Yahoo. You can see the logo over here already. So as you guys can see, that is how we guys can easily change your, default browser. But I like my default browser Google, so I will just switch it back to Google. And switching it back is as simple as switching it to anything else. And as you guys can see, it has switched over here as well. That's how we guys can switch your default browser in Google Chrome. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.